government in the state of Meghalaya.
All India Trinamool Congress AITC MP Mahua Moitro in a press conference today asserted that there is a clamour for change in Meghalaya and the massive turnout in Phulbari election rally is an indication of it. Stating that the days of the national parties are over in India, she said one cannot depend on the bi-party system. She said that the TMC is out to defeat the BJP and all its allies, and while they have proven in West Bengal. In Meghalaya, corruption stands out. While the state is mineral rich, the government in the past 5 years have done nothing in infrastructure, roads and healthcare and deserves to be shown the door. She asserted that the TMC is here as an alternative and don't need to prove our credentials.
Meghalaya is not a poor state. Meghalaya is a mineral rich state. The people of Meghalaya, the development of Meghalaya is, it's not something to be thrown away. And I think any government that for the past 5 years has been in power and has done nothing for infrastructure, for roads, for healthcare, for all-round development, deserves to be shown the door. And we are here to offer people an alternative. We are fighting here to offer people an alternative. We are here as a national party.
The